We're going to continue this blues progression series with another sweet shuffle. It's called Mailbox Blues. It's covered by many artists, but the one I featured is Samantha Fox. I've put a link in my description to this particular song. The backing track might not be exactly like Samantha Fox, but it's going to give you the opportunity to play along with that exact blues progression. So let's go have a look. Okay, let's break it down. So it's in the key of A. Okay, and the first part goes like. And basically what we do is we play the A chord with the C open F, move it down to the 5th fret, and it becomes A, right? So it's the F shape open chord. We just work on the 4 bottom strings. So we go. Alright, that's going to take a little bit of practice, okay? But it's a really cool lick. So we hit all 4. Then we use our ring finger to bar the 3 bottom strings. So all 4. Then index finger. So we go 5th, 6th, and then B and E together. So that's the first part. So here we play A, D9. Index finger on the 4th fret D, middle finger 5th fret A, ring finger bars G, B, and E. Okay, that's the second part. Then we go back to the A. So we use the pink key. But of course we play all 4 strings. Then we go back to the D9. We're going to do a little slide here. Just the 3 bottom ones. Okay, and then slide right back. Then back to A. Then comes the turnaround. So turnaround is E9 because we go A, B, E. That's the blues progression, right? And then so you can just play it like this, or you can do that little lick that I did. So for that lick, we bend up the G on the 7th with the ring finger. Then we hit the 2 bottom strings on the 5th bar together. Then back into that E9. And then it goes back into the normal progression. So now I'm going to play it one more time. So for that little ending lick, let's break it down into parts, okay? So the first part goes, okay, and release and pull, and then hit the D on the 7th fret. Then the second part goes, second part. Okay, I hope you enjoy this cool little Paint My Mailbox Blues song. Again, it's a little different from the everyday blues. And the more of those you know, the more versatile you become in playing different types of blues and not just the straightforward stuff. Even though that's nice too, right? Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with the next one.